Oh, there's the box. There's the little bike. Slid right out nice and easily. Go ahead and take all the clips off and report back once that's done. So in the package it comes with the charger. Just like that. Brackets for the handlebars, a few screws, a 15mm, 13mm, and some miscellaneous Allen wrenches. Got everything off the bike. I did try putting the kickstand up. We'll see what the instructions say as we go along, but the kickstand seems to be too long, and the bike really wants to tip. But first and foremost on the instructions is to get that rear shock attached there. Oh, there we go. There we go. And it is, I believe, 13mm nut. And a 6mm Allen key. And forgive me, I don't have the patience to sit there with manual tools, so there we go. Tightened up. Step 2 is put the handlebars on here. We'll be using the 2 brackets for those screws. Let's see how well I can do this one-handed, because I'm too lazy right now to go find my tripod. Nope. All right, I got all the cables untangled and where they're supposed to be. The bars have these, I don't know, call them divots. Or, you know, it's going to create friction to hold the brackets in place. So I'll get those on now. And again, that's the 6mm Allen head key on those. All right, so got the front support out. The bike sits a lot more sturdy on that kickstand now with that rear shock engaged as it should be. But that was quite literally all I needed to do to get this thing up and going, was install those 4 bolts, take all the plastics and cushioning off, and then the bolt on here. Other than that, it is it's pretty much ready to rock and roll. I need to read some instructions, which I will report back with, but looks like there's your charging port right there. Fairly simple, just a little feller there. You got your on-off button. Comes fully charged apparently, which is pretty cool. You do have a light button there. Cute little horn. Yeah, pretty cool little thing here. And then you do have your low speed, high speed, medium speed. Wonder how well it'll do with me on it. For fun, let's see here. Low speed, but just it moves me, which is pretty cool. Oh man, that's neat. Anyway, I will do some reading and report back if I learn anything new.